The Smart Bird Feeder with camera is designed to make bird watching more modern and convenient. It features a 2K HD camera that delivers clear and detailed real-time images. Its AI identification system helps recognize different types of birds, making the experience more interactive. It includes dual solar ports and a monocrystalline roof, supporting continuous operation with solar energy. The durable modular design helps protect the feed and maintain functionality. A great option for nature lovers who want to enjoy bird watching from home with ease.